Hey everybody, it's Jepsay. Today we're going to be revisiting the Blade60 with 2 plate configurations. Today we're going to be building it with the brass plate as well as the plateless build. And again, traditionally tray mounts aren't really supposed to be plateless, but we wanted to see how it is and it worked somehow, some way. So here we go with the first build with Durock L5s on the brass plate. This one's pretty nice, to be honest. So as you'd imagine, the brass plate is a nice hard typing experience, but the plateless, since it's tray mount, it was also quite hard. The sound profile was just a bit thin. Both sound pretty good, not too bad. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Please share this video to your friends and family for those that are interested. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.